Hi, good afternoon. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET now. I am Snehi Shah, and with me on the show is Ashesha Adhwaryu, who's in fact waiting by to take us through what the market setup is looking like right now. Yes, we've slipped nominally into the red when it comes to the benchmarks. Ashesha, what is the market breadth looking like? We started quite okay, but we seem to have fizzled out all of those gains.
Well, yes, turned out to be a choppy session on Dalal Street, and as you mentioned, we've now slipped into the red. Nifty is now trading near that 25,830 mark. Nifty Bank also continues to underperform in trade. That one really is now trading near that 59,000 mark, and broader markets too continue to remain under pressure. Nifty mid and small cap also bleeding in trade today. In terms of other individual stocks that continue to remain in focus, let's put the spotlight on Nifty gainers then. Ashesha Motors up 2%, the biggest gainer on the Nifty 50 index. Hindalco and M&M are also bucking the trend in an otherwise tepid market. All these three are the biggest gainers on the Nifty 50 index. On the losing side, we have a whole host of counters which continue to remain in focus. Eternal or Zomato down 2.5%. Interglobe Aviation continues to remain in focus today after DGCA insisted them to cut down their flight operations by 10%. That one continues to remain under pressure. HDFC Bank trading at about 987 odd levels. That too is under pressure today. In terms of individual stocks and sectors, remember Nifty Metal Index continues to remain in focus today. Other than that, in terms of other broader market losers, we have Bliss Pharma GVK, the biggest loser on the Nifty 500 index. Eris Life and BSE are also declining in trade. But as I mentioned, metal stocks continue to remain in focus and they are shining bright in trade today. On the back of surge in silver prices, which has now crossed that $60 per ounce mark, Hindustan Zinc is up 4%. Vedanta and Hindustan Copper also continue to gain. And remember, it's not just silver. Several other commodities continue to gain in the global market, whether it is aluminium or copper, and that is the kind of that is why we are seeing that kind of reaction on these metal stocks. In terms of other newsmakers, several stocks in focus on the back of news. Zydus Life Sciences, where positive news flow has come in with respect to a drug launch in US and Canada, that one is up 1%. Kalpataru Projects and Dilip Buildcon are in focus on the back of order wins, but we are not seeing any major stock reaction over there. So yes, a whole host of counters in focus from the broader markets, but on the index level, it has been a quiet trading session, and Nifty is now trading in the red as we speak.
Okay, Ashesha, thanks for taking us